So the given question says that the object is moving in a circular path which is of radius 10 meters, right? And it completes one revolution in 4 seconds, and we've been asked to find out the displacement in 3 seconds. Sorry, in third second. So if we were to visualize this scenario, what do we have? What we have is object completing in 4 seconds, completing one turn, which means that the time period here is 4 seconds. And when it completes 3 seconds, right? When it completes 3 seconds, that is where we've been asked to find out the displacement. So what I'll do is I'll first take that the complete angle which is made here is theta, which is actually equal to 360 degrees. Why? Because it is one complete turn. And this one we'll call it as theta prime, which is the angular displacement in t is equal to 3 seconds. Keeping this in mind, let us try to understand further. So we have one complete revolution in 4 seconds implies that the time period is 4 seconds. And what is angular speed? Mind you, not the average speed. What is the angular speed? It is angular displacement by time, which we denote it using the symbols omega is equal to theta upon time. What is theta? In this case is equal to 360 degrees, which in radians is equal to 2 pi. So we have omega is equal to 2 pi by t. And what is the time period? It is given to us that this complete revolution takes place in 4 seconds. Therefore, time is equal to 4 seconds. Therefore, what we get is 2 pi by 4, which is equal to pi by 2. So what is omega? So omega, which is the angular speed, is pi by 2 radians per second. Okay, and it is given in the question that the angular speed is constant in nature. Okay, now at time t is equal to 3 seconds, we have to keep in mind that the angular speed is constant. Therefore, we can write that angular displacement should be equal to angular speed into the time elapsed. What is angular displacement? We took it as theta prime. What is angular speed? Pi by 2. What is time? It is 3 seconds. Therefore, we get angular displacement theta prime as 3 pi by 2. Now, what is 3 pi by 2 in terms of angle? In degrees, it is 270 degrees, right? So, which is actually 180 degrees plus 90 degrees. Therefore, if we were to draw this diagrammatically, if this is theta, which represents 360 degrees, then theta prime would be, so this much is 180 degrees, right? This much is 180 degrees, and then we have additional 90 degrees. Therefore, this would be the displacement, right? And if we were to draw it one more time, so this was the initial position, this here is the final position, and we have theta prime, which is equal to 3 pi by 2, right? This complete angle theta prime. And therefore, what is the displacement? Displacement would be final position minus the initial position here. So this chord of the circle AB is what we call as this chord of the circle AB is This chord of the circle AB is what we call as the displacement, which can be found out from the right angle triangle over here. And what measurements do we have otherwise? So let me just erase out this so things become really clear to you. Yeah, so we have a right angle triangle here. And what are the two known sides? See, this side is the radius, this side as well, right? So we can write that SAB is equal to, call this as OA square plus OB square, which is equal to R square plus R square, which is equal to root 2R square, right? Which is equal to root of 2R square, which I can write as root of 2 into root of R square, which is R. And therefore, S is equal to root 2 into R. What is the value of R? The value of R is 10. So this becomes 10 root 2, which gives the correct option to be option D.